Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when the mouse is not working in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with the run window. So since we can't use our mouse, then we will be using the keyboard in our device. So to open the run window, we will be pressing the Windows R key all together, and then here we get this run window open. All we need to do is just to type the command devmgmt.msc. Again, it's devmgmt.msc. Once done typing, just please click on OK or enter, and then you will get this device manager window coming up. All you need to do is just to press again in your keyboard the Alt space in your keyboard, and then use your down arrow key to select the maximize option and then click on enter. And then here, please go to the tab key, press on the tab key, and then you will be selecting now the computer name. So just use your down arrow key to scroll down, and then we will be going to the mice and other pointing devices. Now once you're in here, use your right arrow key to expand the options below mice and other pointing devices. Now once you're in this one, just simply click on enter, and then you will get this small window coming up. Use again your tab key to select the driver tab there. So once you're in the general tab, select the right or press the right arrow key, click on driver tab, and then click on the tab key to go down. So we have here driver details and update driver. Please click on update driver, click on enter. And then this time we will be using the down arrow key to select the browse my computer for drivers. Click on enter. And then here you will be asked on where to browse for drivers on your computer. So just select this, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So you can go to this one simply by pressing the tab key there, click on enter. And then here all you need to do is just to select for the latest compatible hardware that you have in your device. And once you have already selected it, just please click on enter, and then it will be installed. And when it says that the Windows has successfully updated your Windows, just click on the tab key to click on the close, and then you will close the window. And here we will be if it's still not fixed, then you can also download the mouse driver from the manufacturer website itself. So after doing that process, all we need to do is just to close this window for now, and then we will go to the action tab. So here we'll be going up, and then use the tab key. So let me just close this one, and then we will be using the tab key to select the action tab. So let me just go to this tab key here. And then if you can select the action tab there, just simply make click on the scan for hardware changes. Now once you have done that, you will be able to make a quick restart now in your device, and you're good to go. See if your mouse is now already working. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.